In the Hunter Mill District, we've been doing coat drives for a number of years. This year, we're focusing on coats for kids. There are kids out there that don't have coats, or they don't have coats that actually will keep them warm through the winter months.
As we serve this community, we see the need that is increasing of just everyday basic accommodations and supplies.
You know, in doing this, we really wanted to partner with at least one community organization in order to really expand the effectiveness, not just of this coat drive, but also to help build up organizations in the community that care about this issue. And Heritage Fellowship Church has been doing drives like this over the years.
The partnership with Supervisor Alcorn's office was an excellent opportunity for us to be able to increase the impact and amount of families that we could help serve. People can drop off a slightly used or brand new coat here at Heritage, or they can also drop off their donations at Supervisor Alcorn's office.